Choosing the appropriate legal structure for your business is a foundational decision with significant implications for taxation, liability, and administrative overhead. A C corporation is a distinct legal entity from its owners, offering benefits such as limited liability and the potential for raising capital through the sale of stock. LegalZoom is an online legal service platform that can assist in the formation process. This explanation will guide you through the steps involved in using LegalZoom to establish your business as a C corporation. The process. Navigate to LegalZoom's business formation services. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website and locating their business formation services section. You will typically find options for various business structures, including C corporations. Select the C corporation option. Choose the C corporation as your desired business structure. LegalZoom will likely present you with different service packages at this stage, offering varying levels of support and additional features. Select the package that best aligns with your needs and budget. Provide business information. You will be prompted to enter detailed information about your business. This typically includes business name. You will need to provide your desired business name. LegalZoom may offer a name availability search to help ensure your chosen name is not already in use in your state. Business address. This is the official physical address of your corporation. Principal business activity. Describe the primary nature of your business. Incorporation state. Select the state in which you wish to incorporate. This decision can have legal and tax ramifications, so it's worth considering where your business will primarily operate. Registered agent information. A registered agent is an individual or entity designated to receive legal and official documents on behalf of your corporation. You will need to provide the name and address of your registered agent. LegalZoom typically offers registered agent services for an additional fee. Information about incorporators and directors. You will need to provide the names and addresses of the individuals who will be forming the corporation, incorporators, and the initial directors who will oversee the company's management. Stock information. You will likely be asked to specify the number of authorized shares of stock your corporation will be allowed to issue. Review and confirm information. Carefully review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Mistakes in these details can lead to complications later on. Submit your order and payment. Once you have verified the information, you will proceed to the payment stage. LegalZoom will outline the fees associated with their services and the state filing fees. LegalZoom processes your filing. After you submit your order and payment, LegalZoom will prepare the necessary incorporation documents, typically the articles of incorporation or certificate of incorporation, and file them with the Secretary of State in your chosen state. Receive your incorporation documents. Once the state approves your filing, LegalZoom will typically send you the official incorporation documents. This can take varying amounts of time, depending on the state's processing speed. Obtain your EIN, Employer Identification Number, after your corporation is officially formed. You will need to obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This is your corporation's federal tax identification number. LegalZoom may offer assistance in obtaining your EIN as part of their services. Establish your corporate records and governance. As a C corporation, you will need to establish and maintain formal corporate records, including bylaws, meeting minutes, and stock certificates. LegalZoom may provide templates or guidance on these matters. Before initiating the C corporation formation process on LegalZoom or any platform, take the time to thoroughly research the implications of the C corporation structure for your specific business needs, particularly regarding taxation, double taxation, and compliance requirements. Consulting with a legal or financial professional can provide valuable insights tailored to your situation and help you determine if a C corporation is indeed the most suitable structure for your business.